as you all know, I am an HR by profession, guys. So I am sharing all the HR tips that are going to be very, very helpful for you people to crack your interview, to make your virtual interview more professional and you can impress your interviewer. Okay, so please guys, it's a request, if you belong to CS or non-CS branch, this video will going to be very important for you people, because I collected all HR and TR questions from the selected candidates of both the batches, CS candidates and non-CS candidates. So if you belong to any branch, mechanical, electrical, electronics, any branch, CS, IT, this video will going to be very helpful for you. I have shared all repeatedly asked questions, guys, the most top repeatedly asked questions. So if you prepare these questions, 100% you will get selected. Okay. First thing, guys, the first and the most important question that will come to you during the interview is, tell me about yourself. This is the most important question. Again, in all my preparation videos, I used to tell you people, 99% candidates will going to have this question, tell me about yourself. You need to answer this question more effectively. Take care of your communication skills, your confidence. You need to mention only your skills, your achievements, your whatever things are really important for the company, that you need to mention in this answer. The question you want the interviewer to ask you next, try to mention that word in this answer. Okay, if you want the interviewer to ask you questions more from Python language, then mention in the introduction answer only that you are good at Python language. Okay, hope you understand this thing. If you want the detailed video and tell me about yourself, I have already shared on my channel. You can check out the playlist of Infosys company. You will get some detailed video of tell me about yourself, how you need to frame that answer. Okay, next question is question from your resume. Again guys, resume is very, very, very important. You need to prepare your resume nicely. Whatever skills you are mentioning, your hobbies, your achievements, your strength, your weakness, all the details. No, you don't have to leave a single word in your resume. Okay, whatever terms you have mentioning in your resume, please prepare for that. Okay, if you have done any certification courses and you have mentioned in your resume, please be ready with the knowledge. You should have that knowledge. Okay, whatever certification courses, internship, project, if you have mentioned anything in your resume, be prepared with that. The third and most important question that the Infosys company this time asking to the candidates is, do you have a laptop? Here you need to say yes. Okay, even if you don't have laptop, I'll suggest you please arrange your laptop from any of your friend or colleague, any relative, for few days, guys. Only for training they need laptop. Okay, but you have to say yes here, because mostly this thing happens, the candidates who are saying no, they are not getting selection. Okay, so this is not an official update, but yes, I came to know about this thing from many of my subscribers. So please, I'll suggest you, if you are not having laptop, then also say yes, I have laptop. You can arrange from any of your friend for few days, right? Then, do you have 8 GB RAM laptop? Guys, again I'm telling you this thing, please say yes. If you are not having, even then say yes. You can upgrade your RAM laptop afterwards. Are you interested in higher studies? Again, a very important question, guys, because the interviewer just want to know this thing, whether you will going to be with them for a long time or not. If you'll say them yes, I am interested in higher studies, then it indicates that you will not going to be in the company for a long time, long period. Okay, so being an HR, I am suggesting you this thing, please don't say disclose any such thing in front of your interviewer. Do you have any questions with me? So here, as I told you guys previously also, please be ready with few questions. You can ask them about your role in the Infosys company. You can ask them about the projects in the Infosys company. Any question, okay? You have to be prepared with that. Discuss about your project. Again, a very important question, guys. You need to be ready with your project. Okay, I'm going to share all the important questions that are going to come depending on project. So whatever is your final year project, please be prepared with that. Thoroughly read out the complete project. Okay, tell me about your project. How many members were there in your project? What mechanism you used in your project, and explain its working. All these are the questions that were asked to the candidates. Okay, previously. What is your contribution in the project? Hurdles faced in your project and how you solved them. So these are the basic questions that the interviewer will going to be surely ask you, depend on your project. Okay, tell me the application of your project. Also they can ask you why you choose IT. If you belong to non-CS IT branch, guys, then they will going to ask you why you choose IT company, why you want to join Infosys company if you don't belong to CS IT branch. And even if you belong to CS and IT branch, they will going to ask you why you choose IT sector. Okay, so you have to be ready with the answer. What are your strength and weakness? Again, a very important thing, guys. Here you need to mention very smartly you need to answer these questions. They may going to do some cross questions on this. What are your long term career goals? So here also you need to answer them very properly. You need to tell them that you're going to be with them for a long time. Accordingly you need to answer them. How you can say you are a problem solver or decision maker? One of my candidates received this question, guys, and he answered this question very smartly with examples. He gave some real life examples to the interviewer, and interviewer really get interest. So please you also prepare accordingly. Tell me any awkward moment in your life and how you managed to overcome it. This question also one of my subscriber received, and he answered according to his experiences. So again, if you have any awkward moment in your life, please tell them this thing. Why should we hire you? Again, a very important question, guys, and in my previous videos I have shared how you need to answer this question. So be ready with this also. Why you want to join IT company? Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? These are some basic HR questions that the interviewer will going to ask you just to check your interest in the company and whether you're going to be with them for a long period or not. Then tell us about your ultimate goal in life. Explain 4 major OOP concepts in Java real life example. Again, a very important question, guys. The interviewer will going to ask you any one question depends on OOPS concepts. Okay, so you have to be ready with this thing. Some real life examples you need to prepare. All 4 pillars of OOPS concept you need to prepare. How OOPS implemented in C++. What is SDLC? Again, a most repeated question, guys. The interviewer will going to be surely ask you SDLC. What is SDLC? 4 major concepts related to object oriented programming languages. What is big data? This time they'll asking this question again and again. What is big data? Difference between C and Python. What is header file? What is function? What is null pointer? Then explain array, explain pillars of OOPS. Do you know about data structure? If you say yes, then they'll ask you stack and queue to explain what is data encapsulation, data abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism. You need to answer these questions with real life examples that will really impress the interviewer. These questions you can prepare in advance, guys. Why I'm telling you? Because you will get for sure 80% questions from this list that I have prepared for you people. 80% you will going to be have questions from this list only. Then explain some important differences between C and C++. Can we implement multiple inheritance in Java? How method overloading is different from method overriding. Then distinguish between classes and interference in Java. I'll suggest you please be ready with what is the difference between C, C++, C and Java, C++ and Java, C++ and Python, all the programming languages. Okay, you have to be ready with the differences between them. Why indexing in SQL is useful. What is the left outer join and right outer join in SQL? Explain pointers in C++. What are the difference between C++ and Java? Which one do you think is better and why? Give examples of data structure in C++. Tell me one disadvantage of using C++. How is polymorphism implemented in Java? Write a program to check if a number is prime or not. You need to be ready with some basic programming questions, guys, so that you can handle a situation. They're not going to be asked for sure. They're going to ask you any programming question, but yeah, you should be aware about some basic logic questions, right? In any case, the interviewer ask you, you should be aware about that. Heap, binary tree, then difference between the linked list and array. You need to be prepared sorting, heap, binary tree, all these questions. Explain the concept of inheritance, various types of inheritance. How is exception handling done in C++ and Java? What is the difference between array and array list? Write a program to swap two numbers. What are the different types of loops in Java? Then what is RDBMS? These are the most repeated questions that I received from the candidate side, guys. I have a list of so many questions from all the different candidates, different branches and different batches. But I collected the most repeated questions. I believe if you prepare all these 58 questions, guys, I am sure you will able to crack your interview. Now we'll discuss about the 5 best tips how you need to crack your interview. Guys, based on the previous interview experiences of so many candidates and based on my personal experience, my personal HR experience, I'm telling you this thing, guys. To crack an Infosys company is not that much difficult. If you are a confident person, if you can show the interviewer that yes, you are a confident person and you can join their company and you can work effectively, for sure they're going to accept you. Guys, if you want to crack any interview, including Infosys interview, if you are a confident person, if you can look into the eyes of the interviewer, then 50% आपका काम वही हो जाता है, 50% आपको इंटरव्यूअर वहीं सिलेक्ट कर लेता है। देन गुड प्रेजेंटेबल, प्लीज वेयर नाइस क्लोथ्स, फॉर्मल क्लोथ्स ओनली, ओके। Good communication skills is again very important, guys, but if your communication is not that much good, don't worry about that thing, okay. If you have good knowledge, try to communicate effectively, try to avoid grammatical mistakes especially, okay, and try to put your things, put your thoughts effectively, okay. Then good behavioral skills, please behave properly during the interview, look into the eyes of the interviewer, have a pleasant smile on your face, don't be loud, don't be arrogant, okay, don't show any nervousness during the interview. If you don't know any answer, no problem, guys, it's just a freshers hiring, they don't want you to answer all 100% questions. I know so many of my subscribers who have not answered few questions, but still they got selected because they are confident enough, they have good behavioral skills, they have good communication skills, they showed interviewer that yes, they have knowledge, okay. In case if you don't know any answer, tell frankly to the interviewer, be honest with the interviewer, tell them that you don't know the answer right now, but you'll check afterwards, okay. This is the way how you need to tackle any interview. In any case, if you will not be able to answer any question, don't get nervous at all, okay. बिल्कुल भी nervous नहीं होना है, keep smile on your face during the interview, be friendly with the interviewer, not you don't have to say anything that is not related to the interview, but yes, you don't have to be so formal with that. Be honest, no distraction in background, that is very important, guys. Take care of this thing कि जहां से आप interview दे रहे हैं, there should be no distraction in the background. Try to be in a silent room, alone in the room at the time of interview. Check all technical requirements in the starting only. Check your internet connection, your manage your laptop accordingly so that you can look into the camera directly, okay. It gives the impression that yes, you are looking into the eyes of the interviewer, okay. Sit straight, don't look here and there again and again, don't move your hands again and again, give them formal answers, try to keep your answers short and small, guys. Don't stretch a single answer so much, don't tell them here and there stories, give them point to point answer. Why I'm telling you this thing, because these are the online interviews, guys, so you have to be prepared accordingly, okay. Interviewer have a slot time around 19 to 20 minutes time duration for a single candidate, okay. If you are able to answer correctly, they're going to select you, no problem in that. So guys, these are the basic things that you need to take care during the interview, and I'm sure you all can do that. And still I'm again recommending you all, please do check the Infosys preparation playlist on my channel, interview experience playlist on my channel, guys. I have shared more than 60 candidates live one-to-one discussion on my channel for Infosys company system engineer role specifically. बहुत हेल्पफुल होने वाला है आप सभी के लिए, सभी रियल एग्जाम्पल्स आपको मिल जाएंगे वहां पर, कैसे उन्होंने अपना इंटरव्यू क्रैक किया है, कैसे इंटरव्यूज को क्रैक किया, कैसे अपने इंटरव्यू को घुमाया है, कैसे आंसर्स दिए हैं, किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस होते हैं. प्लीज बी रेडी विद ऑल दोज थिंग्स, ओके. आपको काफी कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा अगर आप वो इंटरव्यू प्लेलिस्ट चेक कर लेते हैं. एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस, यह हमारा वीडियो था जिसमें मैंने मोस्टली रिपीटेड क्वेश्चंस आपसे शेयर किए हैं. मेरे पास और भी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर विद यू पीपल इन वन बाय वन in my next videos. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel, share this video with all your friends who are waiting for Infosys interview. This will really help them out, okay? And one more request, guys, if you are done with your interview with Infosys company, please share your experience with us on my mail ID. You can contact me. I'll give you a mail ID in the description box, okay? Please contact me. Please share your experience with me so that I can share with other candidates as well. This will really help out all the candidates, okay? I hope this will help you out, and if this video is useful, please hit that like button. Let me know in the comment section ki yes, this video is going to be helpful for you people. That will really motivate me. And we're going to share so many experiences with you. I received few experiences from candidate side today also, so I'm going to share with you people very soon. Please subscribe to the channel, don't forget that, okay. That is very important, guys. All the best, be positive, and we're going to crack Infosys company at anyhow. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में विद अ न्यू अपडेट. कोई भी डाउट होता है गाइज, यू कैन आस्क मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, एंड यू कैन जॉइन आवर टेलीग्राम चैनल एज वेल. वहां भी मैं काफी सारे क्वेश्चंस शेयर करने वाली हूं, तो प्लीज ज्वाइन करना इन्फोसिस कंपनी को एंड ज्वाइन करना टेलीग्राम चैनल को इफ यू वांट टू क्रैक एनी गुड कंपनी. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में विद अ न्यू अपडेट. थैंक यू.